Hey, what's up, guys? New box, and let's see what's inside. What?
Your face is really red.
Okay. Now you're distracting it. Okay. Distracting me. Okay. Ready? Isn't this like overdone? Ready? Oh, you can't see my face, can you?
No.
That's...
Be careful.
This is it. This is not an unboxing. This is not an unboxing night. Alright, let's see what's in here. Bags of free air. Thank you. Ah. See that? Alright. Let's unbox it. Okay, so I have an Anchor laptop battery, and this is for this 2009 iMac. It says, if you can see it here, 18-month warranty, high quality, affordable prices. Let's see how big this battery is. Maybe you can find out inside. Let's see. Alright. Don't eat this. We need these tools. Foam padding. And this is the battery. Now, let's see what else is in here. Instruction manual. Don't need that. Not happy. I'm okay right now. Ooh, happy. We're just happy that you're happy. If you don't know how to express your newfound happiness, we've got a few suggestions. Alright, let's look inside. Let's open this baby up and see how good this battery is. Alright, let's see here. This is 6,000 milliamps. Lithium ion for 13-inch Macbook, which is what this baby is right here. Alright, let's start fixing it. Just finished unscrewing all the screws out, so now we're gonna go and get inside this baby. Whoa. Ew. Wow, it's so dirty. Ew. Doesn't take care of his computer at all. Even has like dent. Was I supposed to touch that? Alright. It's time. Perfect fit.